So we've come round today to the northeast side of Ibiza. It's good, no danger. So we've come round today to the northeast side of Ibiza. We've anchored, it's absolutely beautiful. Our friends Anna and Simon have come to join us. We're probably only going to be here for about a day and then we're going to head over to Mallorca where we're meeting Ryan's parents. But this is it and it is stunning. I don't know whether you can actually see this or not. I really hope you can. But there is, I've counted and I've probably missed a few, 36 boats in this anchorage. It really isn't that big. We went to land earlier over there. We've got up really early today because we're leaving Ibiza and we are going to Mallorca, which should be pretty good. It is 54 miles, so just a day sail. The wind is looking light, but hopefully there'll be enough for us to get the light wind sail out. Looks beautiful, like really, really flat. So I don't think there's going to be any swell. So yeah, let's see what happens. Going to raise the anchor now. There's Sheila over there, our friends. They're going to come and meet us in Mallorca a bit later. Not today, in a few weeks. And this is it, we're off. Anchor's up. So we're here, we are in Mallorca. It's really hot. It is, what time is it, Ryan?
7:10.
It's 7:10 and it is roasting. Set to get to about 35 degrees on Tuesday, so it's gonna be lush. We're just coming into the marina. It's the Real Club Nautica one in Mallorca. Really busy, it looks huge. I think there's a couple of commercial ones and then the one where we're going. Loads and loads of super yachts here. There's a regatta going on. Ryan's friend is actually racing in the regatta. He's called Laurie. Hey, if you're listening. This is the marina. It's absolutely huge. This is the boat that the family who own Fiji. It's their boat, which is pretty cool. It's supposed to be the biggest wooden boat in the world, I think. So where are we?
Palma. And it's hot as hell.
Standard McDonald's.
Standard. Went out last night with my mate Laurie. Got a little bit tipsy. So I'm feeling it today.
Palma is the capital city as well as the largest in the Balearic Islands, which today are Spanish territory. Palma was founded by the Romans in 120 BC as part of their expansion across Europe. Throughout the course of history, it has been taken over and under control by many different groups, and you can see the influences of these groups in some of the architecture around the city. There was a lot of unrest and rioting over the years, and piracy became a real problem around the port of Palma. The Balearic Islands ended up being Spanish territory and in 1833 were officially classed as their own province. Palma is famous for La Su, its cathedral seen here, which interestingly was built on top of a previous mosque, and the mosque was originally built on top of a Christian church. Today, 29 million passengers fly to and from Palma Airport every year, with an additional couple of million visiting by sea, like us. 80% of the population here work in tourism, and because of this tourism, Mallorca is one of the wealthiest regions in Spain. Palma's other economic portal is agriculture, with its main exports being almonds, oranges, lemons and olives. What are we doing today, Ryan?
We're going to go out sailing with my parents and don't really know where we're going yet, but we'll just have a look and see what it's like as we head round.
Okay. What's the wind?
I think it's gusting to 14 or something, nothing major.
So quite a nice day.
Should be bloody hot though.
Yeah. We're out sailing with Ryan's mum and Matt. Bit windy, we've got about 22 knots, so it's a little bit strong. Paula's struggling a bit. But it's good, no danger. Oh, bless her. You're going to go straight in as a dive from the hammock, yeah?
Yeah, hammock diving.
Hammock diving, okay.
Diving.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Got to wait for the swing. If you don't get your swing right, it could all go horribly wrong. Bad.
Did it feel good?
Felt amazing actually.
Yeah, no, I don't know. It wasn't perfect.
Let's see your diving then. Right, now you can do it properly.
Are you ready now?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're psyched for it?
Yeah.
I don't think the angle of your fingertips is going to matter to the rest of it.
I think you'll find it does actually.
Alright, okay. Yep. That was a lot better, yeah. That was a lot better. Alright.
Oh my god! No, that was actually really good! That was really good!
Come on then, Tom. What's wrong with you?
The underside of Chelsea was awful, and I think we was losing about 2 knots of speed when we were sailing. And we were getting some strange vibrations in the propeller, and I thought it was clean because we'd gone down with a pad and scrubbed it. But when I was down there doing the underside of all of the boat, I noticed that the propeller was actually silvery, not like a bronzy colour. So I got the scraper on it, and it had like some hard, like almost like lime scale on it. It couldn't have been lime scale, it must have been some sort of growth. But yeah, since we've taken that off, the boat, like when we're motoring, it goes really quite quickly. No vibrations.
We do need to get it anti-fouled, don't we?
Yeah, but we can't afford it, so we're just gonna have to keep cleaning it at the moment.
But that's why there's loads of like weird white patches and it's not all black.
Yeah, but it's, you know, clean it once a week or something now. Now we can get on top of it because the water's
Much clearer.
and warmer.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be a problem. And then once we get it re-anti-fouled, it's good for another 2 years at least.
Yeah.
So, but it's good to practice our diving.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, and a special thank you to our patrons. You can join our Sailing Chelsea patron crew and enjoy our benefit tiers by clicking on the link below. You can also follow our journey on Facebook and Instagram, or visit our website. All the links are in the description. Thanks!